We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the Sihea 16X52 Mini Monocular Telescope, high-powered for adults, a product by Sihea that has generated considerable interest among outdoor enthusiasts, gift givers, and gadget lovers alike. If you own this item, please leave your experience in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description using it supports the channel. The Sihea 16X52 Mini Monocular Telescope is marketed as a versatile, high-powered optical device designed for adults but accessible to users of all ages. With its 16x magnification and a 52 mm objective lens diameter, this monocular aims to deliver crisp, bright images suitable for a wide range of outdoor activities, including hiking, birdwatching, hunting, and even attending concerts or sporting events. The product is also frequently highlighted as an excellent gift option for men, dads, husbands, teens, and anyone with an interest in exploring the outdoors or observing distant objects. One of the standout features of this monocular is its optical system. The Sihea 16X52 is equipped with a back 4 prism and fully multi-coated FMC lens, which are industry-recognized components for delivering high contrast and superior resolution. The back 4 prism is known for its high refractive index, which minimizes light loss and enhances clarity, while the FMC coating ensures that the maximum amount of light passes through the lens, resulting in sharp, true-to-life images. According to user feedback, the clarity and vision provided by this monocular are consistently described as crystal clear, with many reviewers noting that the device performs well even in low-light conditions thanks to its 99.8% light transmittance. The build quality of the Sihea 16X52 is another area where it receives positive remarks. The monocular is designed to be lightweight, weighing just 8.4 ounces, and compact, with dimensions of 6 by 2.5 by 2.5 inches. Despite its portability, users report that the device feels sturdy and robust, able to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Its nitrogen-filled construction provides waterproof and fog-proof performance, allowing users to confidently take it into rain, humid environments, or even areas with sudden temperature changes without worrying about internal fogging or moisture damage. This durability is especially appreciated by parents and those who tend to drop or mishandle their gear, as several reviews mention the monocular's ability to survive accidental drops and rough handling. Ease of use is a significant factor in the monocular's appeal. The Sihea 16X52 is designed for single-hand operation, making it accessible for users of all ages, including children. Several reviewers specifically mentioned that even young children, such as a 6-year-old granddaughter, were able to use the monocular effectively during outings to bird sanctuaries and nature reserves. The focus adjustment is reported as smooth and intuitive, allowing quick transitions between different viewing distances without frustration. This user-friendly design makes the monocular an excellent choice for family outings, educational activities, or as an introduction to optics for beginners. In terms of versatility, the Sihea 16X52 is praised for its adaptability across a range of activities. Birdwatchers appreciate the clear, detailed images of distant birds, while hikers and campers value the monocular's ability to bring far-off landscapes and wildlife into sharp focus. Gift givers highlight the product's appeal for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions, especially for recipients who seem to have everything or express an interest in nature, astronomy, or outdoor sports. The monocular's sleek design and attractive packaging further enhance its suitability as a gift, although there are occasional reports of damaged boxes upon delivery. While the product itself is generally unharmed, a few users express disappointment when the packaging arrives smashed, particularly when the item is intended as a present. Despite its many strengths, the Sihea 16X52 is not without its drawbacks. A minority of users report difficulties with setup or focusing, stating that they were unable to achieve a clear image, or that the device did not meet their expectations in terms of optical performance. In some cases, these issues may stem from user error or unfamiliarity with monocular operation, but they highlight the importance of clear instructions and customer support. Additionally, while the monocular is described as compact, a few users note that it is larger than they initially imagined, which may affect portability for those seeking an ultra-miniature device. However, the majority of feedback suggests that the size strikes a good balance between usability and convenience, fitting easily into backpacks or pockets for on-the-go use. Value for money is a recurring theme in user reviews. The Sihea 16X52 is consistently described as offering great value, combining high-quality optics, durable construction, and versatile functionality at a reasonable price point. Its ranking as a bestseller in the monoculars category and its strong customer review score of 4.3 out of 5 stars from over 165 ratings further attest to its popularity and positive reception among buyers. Many users express satisfaction with their purchase, often recommending the monocular to friends and family or purchasing additional units as gifts. The monocular's performance in real-world scenarios is frequently highlighted in user testimonials. Birdwatchers report being amazed at the level of detail they can observe, from the intricate patterns on feathers to the subtle movements of distant animals. Hikers and outdoor adventurers appreciate the ability to scan landscapes for points of interest, navigate trails, or spot wildlife from a safe distance. Stargazers and amateur astronomers find the monocular useful for casual sky watching, although it is important to note that monoculars are generally not a substitute for dedicated astronomical telescopes when it comes to viewing celestial objects in detail. Parents and educators find value in the monocular as an educational tool, helping children develop an interest in science, nature, and exploration. The device's rugged construction and ease of use make it suitable for young users, while its optical quality ensures that the experience is rewarding and engaging. Several reviewers mention using the monocular during family outings, school field trips, or backyard explorations, with children expressing excitement at being able to see distant objects up close. Gift givers appreciate the monocular's broad appeal and practical utility. Whether for Father's Day, birthdays, Christmas, or other special occasions, the Sihea 16X52 is often described as a thoughtful and memorable gift. Its sleek design, sturdy build, and high-quality optics make it stand out from more generic presents, while its versatility ensures that it will be used and appreciated by recipients with a wide range of interests. The monocular is particularly recommended for men who have everything or claim to want nothing, as it offers a unique and useful addition to their collection of gadgets and outdoor gear. In summary, the Sihea 16X52 Mini Monocular Telescope is a well-rounded, high-performing optical device that has earned praise for its clarity, durability, and ease of use. Its BAK4 prism and FMC lens deliver sharp, bright images across a variety of lighting conditions, while its waterproof and fog-proof construction ensures reliable performance in challenging environments. The monocular's compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry and use, whether for birdwatching, hiking, hunting, or simply exploring the world around you. While there are occasional reports of setup difficulties or packaging issues, the overwhelming majority of users express satisfaction with their purchase, citing great value for money and a positive overall experience. If you are considering a monocular for yourself or as a gift, the Sihea 16X52 is a strong contender that combines quality, versatility, and affordability. Its popularity among outdoor enthusiasts, families, and gift givers speaks to its broad appeal and practical utility. As always, if you have experience with this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed choice. Remember, the link to the product is in the description. It supports the channel and helps us continue to provide in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and gear.